Okay, we've installed the base operating system taking the defaults, and we log in the server and we get to this page here. First thing I want to do is check the machine name. Can't be sure if I've changed it or not. I have, so it's GSP2 host, that's right. Now, we don't want Windows Server Essentials running on this system, and it will ask us to keep configuring it, so cancel that and go to Server Manager. And we want to remove roles and features from this machine. We want to remove the Windows Server Essentials experience. Just checking everything else. Don't think any of that will do any harm. Restart if need be. After the reboot, log back in again and run Server Manager. Cancel any dialogues that come up immediately after logging in with regards to configuring Essentials. So cancel the dialogues, open Server Manager. This will come up automatically, which should have finished the removal of the Windows Essentials service. Close that. Okay, right, seems we need to remove a registry key. Current version. Which should do the trick. We will check by restarting. So hopefully nothing will appear. Right, we need to, because this is going to be the base operating system, the one thing we do need to do is to add Hyper-V. And that's it. Virtual machines, one virtual switch will be created for each one. Yeah, create virtual switches for those. Don't need that. Default stores. That could do with changing. So we've got a disk which is divided up at the moment. So we'll go to Disk Manager. And this is an SSD disk, so we'll create a volume in the rest of the SSD. We'll call that Hyper-V. Wait for that to finish formatting, which it has and is now drive D. So we'll change So what I normally do is create a folder Hyper-V, just take all of that out. So we're left with that, and restart if required, and install. And we're back after installing the Hyper-V role. Log in. And make sure we have Hyper-V installed, and we do. Pin that to the taskbar. And run it. And there we are, we have a base machine with Hyper-V installed. Brilliant. Okay, we're now going to add the real server, in other words, the virtual server. So, new virtual machine, and we'll call this GSP2 server. And we're going to store the virtual machine in the location we specified last time. Generation 2 is generally better than Generation 1. And we'll give it a startup memory of 4096. And we'll just use, number 2, using number 1 for the host machine, 2 for the virtual switch for the moment. We want to create a virtual hard disk on D. That's fine. And we're going to install the operating system from an ISO file that we have on the memory stick here. So, right, that has now created a virtual machine, hasn't actually done anything with it. But if we check the settings, in particular the boot, it's going to boot from the DVD drive, which is the virtual DVD drive, in other words, the ISO file that we have there. We're going to change the processors, put them up to 4 processors. And OK. Connect and turn on, and we need to wait for the press a key. There we go. And that should now start installing. Can't change that one. Can change this one. Click I don't have a product key, and will give us a 180-day trial. And we'll install into the unallocated space.